How y'all doing today? We're still out here at Pikes Lake fishing, fighting the wind. Of course, when I'm not fighting the wind out here, it seems like I'm always in some good wind. Anyways, I'm gonna paddle back over there and start down that bank. I've got an hour of video on the GoPro and I'm shutting it down. I'm out of battery on it. I could change it out, but well, I might change it out here in a second because I think I'm gonna hit this log and I'll be stranded for a minute. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. This thing catches the wind quick and it goes quick with the wind. So, yeah, remember that if you ever buy one of these lifetimes.